Let's go. 또 알레르기 시즌이 돌아왔어요. 알레르기 시즌.
Allergy season. Allergy season.
알레르기 시즌이에요.
It is allergy season. It is allergy season.
다시.
Again. Again.
또 알레르기 시즌이 돌아왔어요.
It is allergy season again. It is allergy season again.
꽃가루 때문에 많이 재채기하고 눈물이 나요. 꽃가루.
The pollen. The pollen.
을 만드는 것은.
To make. To make.
나를 하게 만드는 것은.
To make me. To make me.
재치기 하는 것은.
To sneeze. To sneeze.
나를 재치기 하게 만드는 것은.
To make me sneeze. To make me sneeze.
우는 것은.
To cry. To cry.
나를 재채기 하고 울게 만드는 것은.
To make me sneeze and cry. To make me sneeze and cry.
많이.
A lot. A lot.
나를 많이 재채기 하고 울게 만드는 것은.
To make me sneeze and cry a lot. To make me sneeze and cry a lot.
꽃가루 때문에 많이 재채기 하고 눈물이 나요.
The pollen makes me sneeze and cry a lot. The pollen makes me sneeze and cry a lot.
잠깐! 구독과 좋아요. 나는 항상 콧물이 많이 흘러요. 콧물이 흐르는 것은.
To have a runny nose. To have a runny nose.
나는 콧물이 흘러요.
I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose.
항상.
Always. Always.
나는 항상 콧물이 많이 흘러요.
I always have a runny nose. I always have a runny nose.
나는 알레르기 약을 먹었어요. 알레르기 약.
Allergy pills. Allergy pills.
알레르기 약을 먹는 것은.
To take allergy pills. To take allergy pills.
알레르기 약을 먹었어요.
Took allergy pills. Took allergy pills.
나는 알레르기 약을 먹었어요.
I took allergy pills. I took allergy pills.
지금 나는 너무 졸려요. 졸린.
Sleepy. Sleepy.
나는 졸려요.
I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy.
나는 너무 졸려요.
I'm really sleepy. I'm really sleepy.
지금.
Now. Now.
지금 나는 너무 졸려요.
Now I'm really sleepy. Now I'm really sleepy.
알레르기에는 도움이 돼요. 돕는 것은
To help. To help.
도움이 돼요.
It helps. It helps.
알레르기와 알레르기에
With allergies. With allergies.
알레르기에는 도움이 돼요.
It helps with allergies. It helps with allergies.
하지만 깨어있기가 힘들어요. 힘든,
Hard. Hard.
힘들어요.
It is hard. It is hard.
깨어있는 것은
To stay awake. To stay awake.
깨어있기가 힘들어요.
It is hard to stay awake. It is hard to stay awake.
하지만 깨어있기가 힘들어요.
But it is hard to stay awake. But it is hard to stay awake.
알레르기 시즌이 빨리 끝났으면 좋겠어요. 하면 좋겠어요.
I wish. I wish.
알레르기 시즌,
The allergy season. The allergy season.
끝나는 것은
To be over. To be over.
곧, 빨리,
Soon. Soon.
빨리 끝나는 것은
To be over soon. To be over soon.
알레르기 시즌이 빨리 끝났으면 좋겠어요.
I wish the allergy season were over soon. I wish the allergy season were over soon.
오늘은 여기까지. 구독과 좋아요. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.